Number 12, it says to graph the exponential function by please filling in the chart and then identifying the characteristics of this graph. So here we have the function as y equals to 3 parentheses 1.5 to the x, and all we have to do here is plug in the x's and see what happens. All right, so we have, I'm going to be plugging -4 in for the x and seeing what outputs it has for the y in the calculator. So when I plug in -4, I get around 0.6 here, and then I have 0.88, so I could round that to 0.9, 1.3, then it is a 2. Oh wait, -4 is 0.6, -0.2 is 1.3. So let me clean this up. So this is wrong. This is 1.33. 0 is 3. 1 is 4.5. 2 is 6.75. And 3 is 10.1. Right? Now I can use those points to graph. -4 is 0.6. -2 is 1.33. 1 is 3. 0 is 3. 1 is 4.5. 2 is 6.75. And 3 is 10, somewhere up here, right? And if we connect the points, it looks like that. Okay. And now we can see that this is a growth. The asymptote is the line here that it does not go pass through. So that is x is equal to 0. And the y-intercept, it is the point 0,3 would be the y-intercept point. Okay, and it's right here if you would like to see where the y-intercept is, right? So we can repeat this process for b as well. If we plug in a -4 into the x, what do we get in the calculator? It looks like it is a 9.5. -2 is a 5.3. 0 is 3. 1 is 2.3. 2 is 1.7. I'm rounding. 3 is 1.3. Let's graph the points. -4 and 9.5 is all the way up here. -2 and 5.3 is right here. 0, 3. 1, 2.3. 2, 1.7. And 3 is 1.33. So it looks like it curves all the way down here. Right? And it's an exponential, so it should look somewhere like that. It is decayed because it's going down. The asymptote is the line that it never crosses. So that is x is equal, no, that is y is equal to 0. Oops, so this is y equals to 0. Okay. And the x-intercept is right here where it crosses. So that is 0,3. It's also right here as well. All right. So there you go. That is how you graph using the table values and isolating the characteristics.